Good morning, everyone. What a gloomy day out there it is. It's raining here in Texas, in Arlington, Texas. It's pretty gloomy. So I'm going live because, when you're stuck in the office and you're trying to market your business, you're saying, you know what? What can we do to market our business? And if we're not able to network and present our business, then what do we do? Well, Facebook Live, Instagram Live, that's the way to go, right? A couple announcements. First off, my name is Brian. I'm with Advent Trinity Marketing Agency, and but we have a couple announcements going on. So one, we are going to be having our Facebook for Business seminar coming up. Not seminar, but a workshop on Friday. And then on number two is our Marketing 101 workshop. It's this Monday. It's going to be May 13th. We're going to be at the Arlington Chamber of Commerce. If you guys are interested in coming out, DM me, direct message me, either on Instagram, Facebook, text me if you guys have my number. Or call us, and it's absolutely free. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be talking about the power of video. We're going to be talking about digital marketing 101, and we're also going to be talking about story branding, and the reason why you should be sharing your culture, your story of how your journey through your business. And I know for a fact that we have an interesting story ourselves, and that's been part of our selling point for our business. So those are the three components of our business Marketing 101 that's going to be happening at the Arlington Chamber of Commerce. You guys should definitely come out to that. So today we're going to be talking about a couple of different things. We're going to be talking about 5 reasons why Facebook should be a marketing tool for your business. Now, this is just going to be one of the many live videos that we're going to be doing when we're going to write a bunch of blogs. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and do videos because, let's just face it, some of us just don't read. So we're going to go ahead and tell you what we wrote about, what we've been studying, what we've been researching for businesses and why they should be on social media, why they should be on Facebook. So that you guys can have a little bit more content on helping your businesses grow, and that's kind of our motto. We help businesses grow, with or without us. We definitely want to see the economy grow, because at the end of the day, if the economy grows, there's more business, there's more jobs, and everybody's happy, right? So here's 5 reasons why Facebook should be a marketing tool for your business. And if you haven't read this, you should. And we're going to share the link later on today onto our Facebook, on Instagram and Facebook, so you guys can read it. But number one reason, numbers don't lie. Right? Numbers don't lie. As of 2018, there were over 2.3 billion users on Facebook. So that's a lot of people. That's a lot of people. Every single day, 2.3 billion users on Facebook. I don't know about you, but me, I want to be in front of everybody, as many people as possible. I've been in sales for a very, very long time. And we all know that the more people you're in front of, the more business you get. The more people that know you, like you, and trust you, the more business your company's going to have. And that's some pretty hard numbers to go by. Is the 2.3 billion users. If you're not on Facebook right now, you need to be. You need to be doing your live videos. You need to be doing your posting. You need to be doing your store branding. You need to do writing. I mean, everything possible on Facebook. I mean, Facebook has tons of things you could use in promoting your business. I mean, they have polls for voting, having your customers engage with you, and all kinds of stuff, right? Number 2, Facebook ads are affordable. So ads on, everybody's like, marketing can be expensive. Absolutely, it can be expensive, but Facebook makes it very affordable for you. We have seen success with just $100 a month. If you have a very low budget, $100 a month used correctly can get you in front of thousands of people. Unfortunately, due to the algorithm change, posting is not enough. So you want to have a budget for ads. If you're just posting on Instagram and Facebook, great, awesome. Your followers are seeing that, but cold market, which is people that haven't gotten to know you, don't even know about your business, they aren't seeing your post. Okay? Unless you're tagging and all kinds of stuff, cross promoting. But unless you have somebody doing that for you, or you know how to do that. Even if you do know how to do it, it's going to be very difficult. All of our clients, we recommend you guys have a monthly budget for ads. So when you're running ads, you can target cold market and also warm market, which is the people that are friends with your friends, or friends with your followers, right? And so those are the people that you want to be in front of. Okay. So number three, you can target market. Okay. Uh, you don't want to do a shotgun blast, or throw spaghetti at the wall and hopefully something sticks, right? You want to target the people you want to be in front of. Most of you know that we've ran ads for our marketing one-on-one workshops. We ran ads for our business Facebook page, and our specific target are business owners, and that's what makes us able to have a following that actually matters, right? So I'm just going to wave back to Andy Lopez here. But you want to have a following of business owners, business people that's our target market. We don't want to be targeting to employees that really don't really care about the business and making sales. Maybe they're in customer relations, right? They're not really worried about that because that's not their forte or their priority. Does that make sense? Their priority, of course, is getting the job done for themselves or for the business. Now, for us, we're just targeting specifically business owners. Actually, I just talked to a hairstylist today, and they're targeting salespeople because salespeople want to look good, right? They want to get edged up. They want to have great haircuts. I mean, it's important to them. And so that is why you should be figuring out who you're trying to target as well. And you can target people on Facebook. You can target people on the internet, which is great. Now, Facebook pixels is number four reason. The fourth reason why you should be using Facebook. You can actually get a code from Facebook, put it onto your website as a tracking code, so that whenever you're ready to do retargeting ads, is what we call them. Retargeting, they visit your website and then they get off and they're not ready to make a decision. Well, the rule of thumb is you want to stay in front of them. You want to stay in front of them. Statistically proven, you have to stay in front of somebody at least 5 times before they make a decision on buying or doing business with you. So with the Facebook Pixel, we're able to then say, hey, let's do a retargeting ad. Let's retarget them and stay in front of them. So they get off your website, they jump on Facebook, and then boom, you pop up, right? So you're always constantly popping up in front of your prospects. And so finally, they can finally make a decision whether to do business with you or not. And number 5, Facebook helps you brand. Okay, people nowadays, they want to see the behind the scenes. They want to see the culture of the business. They want to see if they can trust the business. Because let's just face it, people have been burned so many times within different industries and all kinds of stuff. So you want to show people that you're human beings, you're having fun. People buy off of emotions. I don't know if anybody has ever told you that. People buy off of emotions 95% of the time. And so if they enjoy seeing you guys having fun, if they enjoy seeing that you love what you do, that makes you take pride in your business. You take pride in the company you work for. That's why, just dropped my Instagram over here, but that's why you want to use Facebook to market your business over here. Okay? So that being said, I am checking out. Stay tuned because we're going to be doing a lot more of these. Coming soon, we're going to be doing a lot more marketing Facebook Lives with tips on strategies on how to promote your business, whether it be Google, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it be Yelp. We want to give you guys the tools and strategies you guys need to be successful. And hopefully you guys get so busy that when you're ready, you say, Advent Trinity, I need your help because I don't have time to do this, or maybe I learned how to do it and I just don't want to do it. So stay tuned. We'll be doing this quite frequently. I'll try to do these every single week. If you don't see them every week, I'll do announcements on helping you guys get the tools and strategies you guys need to be successful in marketing your business. Once again, a couple announcements before I leave and check out of here. Number 1, Friday, Facebook. We're doing Facebook for Business in Mansfield. So if you're in the Mansfield area, direct message me if you want information on sitting down, bringing computers. We're going to be going through the basics of Facebook for Business. Number 2, we're having our Marketing 101 workshop next Monday at the Arlington Chamber of Commerce. So if you guys want to come out to Arlington, to stay tuned for that, because it's a great seminar. And number 3, if you've done business with us and if you know us, come out to our red ribbon cutting on May 16th